Whether you're looking to make a delicious roast, or succulent chicken, or just healthier fried foods, you'll always get great results with the ProSmart Oven, which offers many advanced features from hardware to software to accessories, all in a sleek, stylish package. You might be wondering how to use them properly. This how-to video is meant to help, but beyond this you have printed material from labels to the manual, quick start guide and recipe book with everything you need to get the most out of your new ProSmart Oven. When setting up, be careful to remove all plastic wrapping and tape, double checking to make sure that it's all gone. Now, make sure that you're not missing any parts. Ready? Let's get started. When you turn on the ProSmart Oven, you will see the panel cycle through the first 10 cooking functions before settling on air fry. Rack levels 3 and 2 are lit, as are the 400F default temperature and 15-minute default time for air fry. The fan speed is at 3, the wattage is 1800, and the Wi-Fi icon is lit. If you're not comfortable with Fahrenheit, you can change the display to Celsius by pressing and holding temp. You can choose one of these cooking functions by turning the select dial or by pressing function. To reach the other 10 cooking functions, scroll down to function plus and press select. Then turn the select dial to the function you wish to use. When you find it, press select, and you will see the defaults for that function. Press menu and you'll have access to 100 presets, cooking programs that do almost everything for you. The ProSmart Oven also lets you save 50 of your own presets, which you can recall from memory slots 101 to 150. Set your cooking temperature and time. Then press menu twice. Use the select dial to choose the menu number. Then press and hold menu to save it. The ProSmart Oven also comes with 6 additional feature buttons that may enhance your results: preheat, probe, sear, light/stage, heat/fan, and Wi-Fi. Preheating can make a huge difference in the results, especially if you're baking, but using it is up to you. You can manually set preheat each time you cook, or even set the ProSmart Oven to preheat automatically or turn that feature off. It all depends on your preferences. Of course, the preheat cycle is always a great time to prep your ingredients. Just a thought. You will know that the oven is preheating by the word preheat flashing on the panel. Once the oven is preheated, you'll hear 2 beeps and see ready on the panel. You'll have 10 seconds to put in the food. Then press start/pause or let the 10 seconds run out and cooking will begin. If you want to see the progress of your food, simply press the light/stage button for a better look inside the oven. The temperature probe is a powerful feature of the new Wave ProSmart Oven as it gives you perfect results. To operate the probe, plug it in and insert the other end into the food. Place the food into the oven and close the door. Now, press probe. You can see the probe temperature. Press and hold probe and the default target temperature of 165F will show. This is the safe internal temperature for poultry, but you can adjust it from 50 to 212 degrees, depending on your needs. Press start/pause and the oven will cook until the internal temperature reaches your target temperature. Enjoy a great steak? Like a professional chef, with the ProSmart Oven's grill and the sear feature, you can brown the outside of your steak while keeping the flavor and juices locked inside. There are 3 different sear settings. Sear 1 sears the meat before cooking. Sear 2 sears the meat after cooking, and Sear 1 and 2 sear the meat before and after cooking. Have you ruined dinner because you forgot to change the cooking temperature? Not anymore. Now you can set up 5 different cooking stages with different temperatures and times, even creating new heat and fan settings so you don't need to babysit the oven while expecting great results. With the ProSmart Oven, you can control not only the cooking temperature and time, but also the power levels of the top, bottom, and rear heaters, as well as the fan level. You can adjust the heaters by pressing heat/fan and adjusting it with the select dial. For the fan, press and hold heat/fan. Even pizza, store-bought or handmade, will come out perfect by controlling the top and bottom heaters and adjusting the fan speed with delicious gooey cheese and crispy crust every time. Don't want to be stuck in the kitchen, monitoring the oven? We don't blame you. That's why the ProSmart Oven will connect with your home's 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, allowing you to monitor and control the oven from anywhere in your home with your smartphone and the new Wave Connect app. Check out the manual and app for original New Wave recipes. Go on and get started. If you need any more info, remember, we have a friendly New Wave support team available to help.